so difficult to date a man who is in a light skin. Just because most of the women they want him. Most of the women. That man he is on demand. Most of the men, and especially is in a light skin. He can dress well. He can smell well. Yo, you are in a you are in a difficult time because that man, most of the women they want him. You understand? Everyone's target. He is everyone's target. That person you are dating. Because guys, I think that women they have got a light skin, but men they've got a dark skin. Because guys, it's so guys, you are in a difficult time because that man is everyone's target. A man who is in a light skin, and especially he can have a handsome face or dressing well, something. It's everyone's woman's target. And those men, they don't love, they don't love a person. You understand? They are players because they know that everyone loves him. Even they leave you, they are already have another woman. You understand? Guys, I don't like to date a man who is in a light skin.